When I started my hydroponic farming journey, I made so many mistakes. I lost money, time, and almost gave up. But today, I want to share the top 5 mistakes I made so you can avoid them and start strong. Let's get into it. Mistake 1. Jumping in without proper knowledge. When I first saw videos about hydroponics, I was so excited. I immediately started building systems and planting seeds. But I didn't really understand nutrients, pH, or how different crops behave. Within weeks, my plants started dying, and I had no clue why. That's when I realized hydroponics is science. You can't just copy someone's setup, you must understand the principles. If you're just starting, don't make this mistake. Learn first. Understand systems, crop selection, and nutrient balance. That's exactly why I created the Modern Hydroponics Certificate course. To give beginners the full foundation they need before they start. It's everything I wish I had in the beginning. Mistake 2. Using cheap or wrong materials. In the beginning, I tried to save money. I bought low-quality pumps, pipes, and nutrients. They worked for a few days, then failed. The system leaked, the EC fluctuated, and my plants suffered. Hydroponics is about precision. Small errors can ruin everything. Always invest in good quality materials and reliable equipment. It saves you money in the long run. Inside our Modern Hydroponics Certificate course, I explain exactly what equipment to use, where to buy it, and how to set it up correctly, even if you're on a tight budget. Mistake 3. Ignoring water quality and EC levels. I thought water was just water. I was wrong. My plants looked healthy for a week, then suddenly turned yellow. I later found out my water's EC and pH were totally off. Without monitoring, you're just guessing, and plants can't survive guesses. Now I always test my EC and pH regularly. It's the difference between success and failure. In the course, we break down how to maintain perfect nutrient balance, step by step. Mistake 4. Choosing the wrong crops. I wanted to grow everything: lettuce, tomatoes, basil, strawberries, all at once. The result? Nothing grew properly. Every plant has different nutrient and light needs. As a beginner, start with easy crops like lettuce or spinach. Once you master those, expand slowly. Our Modern Hydroponics Certificate course has a complete guide to crop selection, from beginner to advanced, so you know exactly where to start. Mistake 5. Not treating it like a business. At first, I treated hydroponics like a hobby. I didn't track expenses, didn't calculate ROI, and didn't think about marketing. But hydroponics can be a profitable business if you plan it right. Once I learned how to price, market, and manage my farm, everything changed. If you want to turn your passion into profit, treat it seriously from day one. In the course, we also cover business models, marketing strategies, and how to sell your produce effectively. Final thoughts. Hydroponics changed my life, but only after I learned from my mistakes. You don't have to waste money or time like I did. That's why we built the Modern Hydroponics Certificate course, a 90-day online program that teaches you everything from setup to sales. You'll learn step by step, get a professional certificate, and start your journey the right way. Join the Modern Hydroponics Certificate course today and build your success story in modern farming. Maximum Cultivator. Learn, grow, succeed.